ano to.
Wow! So, pandemic happened, di ba? Nung pandemic, everybody was famous. Pati yung Dalgona Coffee. Dalgona Coffee, yung Ubi Pandesal, lahat na lang sikat. Oh my God, everyone, lahat mga guma. So, oh my gosh, ba't sila lahat sikat? And I figure out na I think I need the same strategy. Not to be like a, oh my gosh, I'm sorry for the term, hindi naman pagiging cloud chaser, but I think more, if I will be popular, charot. If I'll be popular a little bit, people would know na siya pa rin trainer ni ganyan-ganyan. And I'll get more work, right? In pandemic kasi, we are all stuck at home. So busy tayo watching movies, ako listening to podcast and vlogs talaga. And I came across this vlogger saying na the best way to earn money is to earn through your skills and what you're passionate about. Parang ganyan, galing-galing nun. And then sabi ko, it's about like for people to know who I am. So yun. And during pandemic, I decided to upload more videos.
Na?
Training,
personal.
training girls and throwbacks, ganyan. And then, pero nag-BPO pa din ako noon kasi naging work from home siya, so it was so
Kailan ka nag-resign sa BPO? Resign na ba?
Nag-resign ako noong
What year?
December of 2022. Diba, very recent, 2023 ako talaga naging nag-full-blown in pageantry. Diba? Early surprise! So, akala naman mga lahat, ang tagal-tagal ko na ginagawa. But in reality, I was really lucky to be in an industry na very supportive, company na very supportive. Napagsabay ko siya on weekends, I'm a trainer. On weekdays, I'm in the corporate world. So,
ilan years ka sa BPO?
10 years.
10 years, okay.
Ganun siya.
Sino yung queen?